Hi, welcome to Divine Distillers. I'm Jason.
And I'm Janelle.
And we're here in the Willamette Valley in Salem, Oregon. We've been open since August of 2018, and we are a small craft distillery focusing on the fruits and flavors of the Willamette Valley.
Jason's finally discovered his passion after many years of IT work, and we're here to bring some of the traditional experiences of Europe, the eau de vie and the schnapps, but we bring them with an innovative twist, and we're always experimenting with new recipes and new twists to the traditions. We really like to meld Jason's artistic abilities with my scientific background to create some of the best spirits in the Willamette Valley. Welcome to the distilling room of Divine Distillers. You can see here we have a big, beautiful still. We started with 27-gallon still, and this is a 250-gallon, and we're really excited to open the opportunity up to Salem to invest in Divine Distillers and help us produce some of the best spirits in the Willamette Valley. This opportunity will allow you not only to help create a beautiful piece of art, we're going to have a waterfall feature, as well as we're going to have a local artist put a copper design on top of our helmet. But you'll also have the opportunity to help us name this big, beautiful still. We're going to have a plaque here, and you'll be able to come visit the still that you helped fund and that you helped name anytime you want. You'll probably be running for at least the next 20 years.
And I'm going to explain a little bit about this still. It was built by Still Dragons in Florida, and from here downwards, this is a regular still that you would find from almost anyone. We have a few tweaks to it, but most of those are just functional. But from here on up, the design is completely made for us, and it was designed with a lot of work between us and Still Dragons. The helmet is got a bunch of features just because of its size that allows us to rectify our alcohol and produce a far more tasty product. But on top of that, the waterfall feature that Janelle described has the added bonus that it will produce a much cleaner spirit as the liquid and the alcohol fall back through it and produce this beautiful artistic design at the same time as creating a great product.
We really hope you join us, and we look forward to showing off our great new still. Come visit us at Divine Distillers, and thank you for your support.
And help us name her.